Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the weather statement. Today, we're talking about one of the first bigger snowstorms for parts of the Midwest and Southern Plains. So let's dive right into this forecast, and I will tell you snow totals and all sorts of other things in this video. So I have this blue line and this L here. So this is a low pressure. A low pressure is basically a spinning storm system. And this storm system is projected to park itself over Iowa on Saturday, and it has right off the storm system. There is a cold front in this blue shaded area, and you can see all the cold air right behind it. And this cold front is basically going to push all the warm air south more and drive this cold air, as I have these arrows here, down south, even farther south. So this warm air will get pushed down more, and this cold air will drive itself downwards towards as far as it can go. So on the back side of the storm system, we will have a cutoff towards Chicago, Milwaukee area. So this is where we're expecting to have more rain than snow at this time. It's still a little farther away, but I mean things can always change. But right now we're expecting more rain than snow for if you live in Chicago area and like Milwaukee. But parts of northern Wisconsin and back towards like Wyoming, Nebraska, South Dakota, we're expecting snow. And farther on in this video, I will tell you more about the snow totals. And the National Weather Service has already put up winter weather watches in parts of Wisconsin back towards Wyoming and South Dakota, Nebraska, Iowa, Minnesota. So this is the area they're tracking for snowfall to be like the heaviest and most impactful area for this snowfall to fall. And on the backside, we also do have wind alerts for strong winds and as well as winter storm warnings. So this is the alerts for this storm system. So now let's jump right over to the radar picture for Friday. Here's this low pressure right here spinning clockwise, and we have this cold front down here that is, as I said before, driving all the cold air southward. And we have all this snow setting up on the northern half of this system, toward in parts of Wisconsin back towards Wyoming and South Dakota. And you can start to see it's getting heavier as it gets towards parts of Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa. So this is really shaping up to be a bigger storm system. And on the next clip I'm showing you now, here's that low pressure again. Here's the cold front. The rain is right on the cold front. And on the back side, you can kind of see the cutoff again towards parts of Chicago and Milwaukee. More rain at the start of the storm, but as you go more northwards towards like Wausau, parts of Michigan, the UP, you can see more snow, or you will see more snow. And you can see it's much darker in this area, very dark for this very dark model of blue, so that indicates heavier snow. And this is a model for Saturday, so we're expecting more heavier snow on Saturday. So here is the snow totals. I have out 10 plus inches in parts of the UP and Minnesota, Wisconsin, back towards Iowa. 10 plus inches really in this darker shaded pink area. And then 6 to 8 inches in parts of South Dakota, Wyoming, Nebraska, back towards this area. As yeah, so and then probably around in this the darker blue shaded, you're expecting to get 1 to 4 inches, but you can really see, as I've said multiple times before, the sharp cutoff towards Chicago, Milwaukee, which is right here. They're right on the line. So this storm system can move southward, but we'll have to see if it does, and I will keep you guys updated. Here's another model I like to look at. It is the CFS model, and you can see it is bullseye parts of Wisconsin, Michigan for getting the heaviest snowfall. And again, this model is taking the sharp cutoff of Milwaukee and Chicago. I'm not saying you won't get any snow, but I'm saying there's a lesser chance of you getting more than like an inch or two. So, yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Stay safe if you're in parts of the Midwest and the plains driving in the snow. Have a good weekend, and I will see you on the next video.